Hello and welcome to the course Chess Strategies How to Play Pawn Endgames. In this lecture I will tell you what this course is about and what you will learn. In this course I'm going to teach you how to play pawn endgames. Sometimes pawn endgame seems to be equal. Both sides have equal material. In this course I teach you how to use your king activeness, better pawn structure, and reserve tempers, forcing your opponent to worsen his position. When you play pawn endgame, it's not necessary to have a material advantage. You can win because you know how to play, how to occupy their position, how to force your opponent to get into Zugzwang. If you are a strong chess player, you may know that deep calculation helps to win pawn endgames. And I would agree with you. But anyway, if you know what plan to apply in a certain position, you may calculate fewer lines. And of course, there are some basics that you should learn before starting playing tournament games. This course consists of 15 lectures. In every lecture, I cover a certain motive which can be applied in any pawn endgame. Here are all of them. Opposition, king and pawn versus king, corresponding squares, triangle, square of the pawn, outside passed pawn, shouldering, the breakout, the space, active king, extra pawn, reserve tempers, protected passed pawn, mined squares, king against pawns, and in the last lectures I show you some precise positions that you should know. And at the end of the course I prepared a quiz for you. I'm sure that after finishing this course your chances to win approximately equal pawn endgame will be better. Thank you for your interest. Let's start to learn.